Welcome to Bestful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any of the latest Pixel device running the Android 16 version. So if you have any Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version, I will show you two different methods to set the wallpaper on a home screen and lock screen on your device. So in first method, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen, tap the wallpaper and style. Here you can see the home screen and lock screen option. So you can set both home screen, lock screen, wallpaper. Also swipe like this and tap on the wallpapers on your device. Here you can see the list of different category wallpaper. By default, suggested photo you can see this is only available in the Android 16 version. Also you can select photo from your phone gallery. Here you can see the list of suggested photo from your device. New live effects. Here you can apply different wallpaper effect like a snow, rain, sun on your photo. Create a AI wallpaper, create a emoji wallpaper. You can see the collection of different categories. Make sure internet is working to turn on all categories. So the all categories on your Pixel device. So here you can see. Now we go back and here you can find tap on the wallpapers and you can see the list of all available categories. So this is the new added category in the Pixel 10 only. Contours and aura forms. This is the new wallpaper. If you want to set photo from your own gallery, tap on a more photo option. And here you need to select the photo from your fan gallery. At the end, I will show you how to set the gallery photo as a wallpaper. So stay tuned with the end. Now let's create a simple. Here we select this wallpaper on my device. Here you can see how it looks on home screen and lock screen. Tap on the next button at the top right corner. Now select lock screen or home screen you want to apply. So we select the here home screen option. Now tap on apply button. Now wallpaper apply successfully and you can see how it looks on your home screen. So it's quite easy to change the wallpaper or set a wallpaper on home screen. Now in this method I will show you how to set the gallery photo or your own photo as a wallpaper. So open the Google Photo application on your device. So open we now select any photo from the gallery. So here we select the photo like we select photo here and we select this photo on my phone. Now tap on a three vertical dots, tap on a use as, now tap on a wallpaper. Now here you can see how it looks on home screen and lock screen. Also apply the different effects, tap on effects. Here you can see this different type of shape you want to set. Also change the background color like this, increase or decrease the brightness of the background color. Now add the weather effect like a fog, snow, rain. You can increase this effect like this. You can apply this all effect, snow effect to your wallpaper you set on home screen, lock screen or sun effect. Also create the cinematic 3D photo on your device. So after apply effect and wallpaper, tap on next. Now select the home screen, lock screen. So again we select home screen, tap on apply button. Now wallpaper set successfully and you can see how it looks on your home screen. So quite easy to set the wallpaper on a home screen and lock screen on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it or hype it if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.